Beans and Dee-O-Gee, they're tumbling around. In the living room, they're making a sound, chasing tails and bouncing off the floor. Two little whirlwinds can't ask for more. So if it turns into
Guys, let's use it together.
About gonna have to take that one away and chew the plumb end off of it. Not really sure what that was about. What was that cussing about? I'll probably go over and pick a fight here in a minute. Yeah, you! Everybody thinks you're the cute one because you're floofy. They're like, oh, he's so sweet and innocent. I'm like, no, yeah, he's fierce and floofy. Right? So I'm fierce and floofy. So don't let this fool you. He is a handsome boy. He's a handsome boy. But he's fierce. Look at him. Huh. Attacking his own daddy. Biting the hand that feeds. Look at this guy. You want some of this? You want some of this? Huh? You want some of that? Man, you hold. I'll give you some of it. Uh-oh. Now you done lost the bone. Land sakes. There's the other one. Over there. No. It's time to trade off anyway. Alright. Well. Ooh, this camera is busted. What you got there, Bean? Go strip that bone? Oh, there you go. Now you got it. Now you got it. Oh, puppies and prayers. You watching the birdies? Yeah. That bird dog in there. Getting some vitamin Dee-O-Gee. Yep. Baking them beans in the sun. Yep. Puppies and prayers. Puppies and prayers.